Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As you understand that Treasury Consulting is a Singaporean multinational headquartered group, and we are having offices in 3 countries of the globe. And apart from that, as soon as this pandemic is over, we are launching 2 more subsidiaries, which is London and United States. The first flight after coronavirus is to London. All formalities are done, everything is done. We would be launching first entity in Great Britain, and followed by I would be taking next flight to meet Motabhai, right? And we would be setting up a facility in New York. I often talk about one thing, which is how to read balance sheet, because I strongly believe that, in fact, since my treasury career in 2007, I strongly believe that not only as an investor but also as a finance person, you need to understand how exactly you need to read the balance sheet, and specifically for a bank. Of course, as we speak on 19th, we already announced that we would be launching FNO Group, rather YouTube FNO series. As of now, we are launching the free series, and very soon the paid series would also become. And there are many groups which Treasury Consulting launched, and I think all groups are working very fine, and we are providing our services to our best, and more importantly, not a single loss-making deal as yet. But now I think the time has come and Treasury Consulting need to launch one course, and that course is not, I would say, not a video course, rather it's a training course. It's an online training course which we would be launching, that would cover how to read the balance sheet of a bank. But before I go ahead, let me tell you what exactly is this course all about. Now, in this course, we would be launching how to read the balance sheet of international banks, which includes Goldman, JP, HSBC, Standard Chartered, Barclays, and all. You know that I am always fond of international banks, and I strongly believe that the international banks can offer anything. The way they make their annual reports, I doubt any Indian bank is even near to that reports. That is a separate thing, that Indian markets are a hype market, and unfortunately many banks share price are at that level where it should not be. And many a times in social media I have raised the voice about the disclosures of Indian banking, and many people even understand that as well. In this course, the draft of this course would be coming probably by Monday, and what we have decided in this course is to make something very unique. Okay, what is that? Number one, this course would be covering about US banks, predominantly Goldman, JP, Citi, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, and all. If you visit their website, you would be able to see the annual reports of most of them on their website. I don't call them annual report, I call them as brilliant reports. The kind of effort they are putting, I really doubt any bank even think doing so. Secondly, this course would be covering more importantly about the Basel III disclosures, how to read the Basel III, and how exactly the US banks are making their, I would say, reports in compliant with the Basel III. I hardly seen any bank across the globe when it comes to compliance with Basel III, except US banks. Third and very important thing this course would be covering is definitely Thomson Reuters. No doubt about that. Thomson Reuters would be an integral part of this course, and this course would be taught using live Thomson Reuters. And second last and most important is this course would be using some or other form of Excel solvers to an extent whereby we would be able to tell you that how exactly you can compute the Basel III values, just like TLAC, RWA, and so on and so forth. And how to read the important sections of the balance sheet. That is also very, very important, to be honest. Fifth and last, the conclusion. Upon the conclusion of the course, Treasury Consulting Group would be providing you a certificate of that course. We thought a lot about this course, that how, at what price we should price this course, and what should be the optimal price. But I have decided that this time, I am going to be doing this course at a price which no one even think of. And just to let people know and give them the understanding exactly how this course, how the bank balance sheet, how we can read the bank balance sheet, and how exactly they are compliant with the Basel III, and so on and so forth. The course is planned at 1500 rupees per course. But having said that, more important thing is, this course is a 2 hours live discussion, 2 hours, followed by 1 hour of Q&A session. That's more important. So basically 3 hours course. This is not a video course whereby I would be short videos, and I would be uploading on on my private channels. This is a live discussion course, of course, online course. More importantly, this course will start once we have around 20 people in a batch, 20. Once we have 20 people in a batch, we would definitely start this course. The registration of this course will start from Sunday onwards, once we would be launching the content of this course. And I suggest it would be better if you contact us on Sunday regarding the course content, because we need at least 1 day to finalize the course content. But as you understand us very well, as you know us very well, we would be launching a kind of content that would be giving you a hell lot of understanding. And I am a person who strongly believes that one should know how to read the bank balance sheet. I assure you that when Treasury Consulting turned out to be bank, and that would be very soon. It's a matter of coronavirus. Once coronavirus is over, we are definitely filing for bank license in London. The way we're going to be disclosing our balance sheet, it would be extremely different, even what Goldman is not reporting, that I'm assuring you. I'm not saying that US banks are best in terms of reporting. There are many gaps which even they do have. But when I compare their reporting with the report of Singapore banks, Indian banks, or any other banks, then they are far better. It's like comparing the skills of Ricky Ponting with any cricket player who is even not at par with R of Ricky Ponting. That's how it is. And I strongly feel that Treasury Consulting would definitely will have a lot to disclose very soon once we will file for banking license. We are launching this course, how to read the bank balance sheet, and specifically US balance sheet. But please do understand that this course will 90 to 95% in English. It won't be in Hindi, because there are a lot of finance terms, especially in the Basel III, to whom I cannot pronunciate in Hindi. Example, TLAC, total loss absorbing capital. Example, I would say COCO, contingent convertibles. These all are the things which I really doubt can be explained in Hindi, or can be completely thoroughly explained and let the other party understand this concept. At least I cannot do so. Maybe somebody else can do so, to be honest. So this course would completely be Hindi, and it would be very better if you contact us on Sunday regarding this course. And this course is not a video course, rather it's an online course. And after this, I would be launching a video course that would be advanced series, how to read the bank balance sheet. And this won't be an online course, this would be a video course. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. I repeat 9818485155. Treasury Consulting is committed to give maximum to people. We continue to add a lot of groups, research reports. Our research desk is always in public domain. We value people, and more often we criticize people if they do wrong. And we never worried about few people, those who even do not know F of finance and they write comments on YouTube. Have a great time, guys. Talk soon.